Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 basic hacks for acne prone skin. A disclaimer before you watch this video, I just wanted to tell you that all of these hacks and tips and tricks have been tried and tested by me firsthand, so you can definitely trust it and you have my guarantee. So if you're interested in knowing what are these tips, then please keep on watching. The first tip is the most boring one, yet the most important one. And I'm sure you must have heard it somewhere or everywhere, and almost everyone would tell you to drink lots and lots of water. It sounds very easy, but it is very difficult as you have to hold your pee. So you have to prioritize. Do you want an empty bladder or do you want a clear skin? No jokes, you can try it for yourself. Take a 14-day challenge right now, drink 4 to 6 liters of water every day and you will see the difference. I have tried and tested and it has done wonders for my skin. So drink lots of water, stay well hydrated. The second tip, which is again a no-brainer, that is washing your face before going to bed. Now this has also worked very wonderfully for me. Now, washing your face before going to bed is irrespective of whether you have applied makeup, you haven't applied makeup, you have been out in the day, or you have been home the whole day. It doesn't matter. You have got to wash your face with your face wash and water and then go to bed, because that makes a difference and you will see for yourself. The third tip is to not pop your pimples. Now I know you might have an important meeting the next day, it might be your birthday the next day, some important celebration, or you're meeting someone the next day. It doesn't matter. You just do not pop your pimple just because it's looking very ugly. Cover it up with makeup or concealer, but do not pop it. Because you do not know the extent of that pimple. So if in case it's very deep, it might form a scar. So instead of taking any risk, you just do not touch it. Do not fiddle with it. Do not touch your face if you have a cluster of acne going on. Do not do that because it will only spoil it. You might feel better temporarily, but in the long run, it might be very hazardous. So do not do that. And I really wished someone told me when I was younger, but nevertheless, I'm going to pass it on to you. Okay, so the fourth tip is the tip that I have made up, and it is what I have observed, and hence I think that this is very helpful when it comes to acne prone skin. It is to change your pillow covers more often, maybe once in 2 weeks. That is important. Why? I'll tell you. Ultimately, you rest or you sleep with your pillow on. Your skin is in contact with that pillow, and I'm sure you want your surface to be clean and not contaminated when your skin is in contact with it for almost 6 to 8 hours. It's as simple as that, and hence it becomes a part of your personal hygiene. So make sure that your pillow covers are clean. Coming on to the most important tip and the last tip for this video. And that is, do not listen to your friends or relatives when it comes to your acne. They might say that, this or this cream or this tablet has helped them and helped their acne a lot. And you get very inspired and motivated and you get that cream and you try it for yourself. And that does not work. You are constantly using that cream for almost 1 week or more and it still shows no effect. So basically where the problem lies is that the underlying situation of your skin and your friend's skin is different. Not all the acne is because of one reason. There are so many reasons for an acne to develop. It's multifactorial. So don't think that the thing you are suffering from is what your friend is suffering from. Do not listen to your relatives. Do not listen to your friends. When it comes to at least prescriptive things, go to a dermatologist and consult them, because they are the best people to look closely and tell you what your skin is going through. So if you have watched the video till here, first of all, thank you. Second of all, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this with all your fellow mates and also comment down the tips and hacks you are going to adapt to. Till next time, in the next video, I'll leave it till here. Thank you.